welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Mr. Zaman and here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Smart devices like Siri, Alexa might hinder kids' social and emotional development. Voice-controlled smart devices such as Alexa, Siri and Google Home might hinder children's social and emotional development, argues an expert in the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning in healthcare, in a viewpoint published online in the Archives of Diseases in Childhood. These devices might have long-term effects by impeding children's critical thinking, capacity for empathy and compassion, and their learning skills, said Anmol Arora of the University of Cambridge. Blood test could predict the likelihood to get long COVID. A blood test taken at the time of COVID-19 infection could predict who is most likely to develop long COVID, suggests a new small-scale study led by UCL researchers. The study, published in Lancet eBiomedicine, analyzed proteins in the blood of healthcare workers infected with SARS-CoV-2, comparing them to samples from healthcare workers who had not been infected. Usually, protein levels in the body are stable, but the researchers found a dramatic difference in levels of some of the proteins up to 6 weeks following infection, suggesting disruption to a number of important biological processes. Dogs can smell the stress odor in humans, says research. Dogs can smell stress from a human's sweat and breath, a new study by Queen's University of Belfast researchers has found. The study involved 4 dogs from Belfast, Trio, Fingal, Soot and Winnie, and 36 people. Researchers collected samples of sweat and breath from participants before and after they did a difficult maths problem. They self-reported their stress levels before and after the task, and researchers only used samples where the person's blood pressure and heart rate had increased. The dogs were taught how to search a scent lineup and alert researchers to the correct sample. The stress and relaxed samples were introduced, but at this stage the researchers didn't know if there was an odor difference that dogs could detect. Emotional connection with the parent can improve brain development of the preterm baby. A joint study by the University of Helsinki and Columbia University showed that supporting emotional connection between mother and her premature baby following birth in the hospital ICU improves the baby's brain development. In the current study, the brain network functions of premature infants were measured at term age following approximately 6 weeks of family nurture intervention or FNI in the neonatal ICU. All babies received normal high standard premature care, but some families were given additional FNI to strengthen mother-infant emotional connection. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.